So hello guys, welcome back again iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you Instagram story rotations problem after Instagram updates. Lot of Instagram users to say when I post Instagram story then automatically rotate problem on my Instagrams on iPhone and Android. This problem show on iPhone users as well as Android users. So guys, please make sure you are subscribed my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Instagram story rotations problem after updates. In this video, I give you 3 solutions for that issue you can easily apply on your Instagrams and easy to fix your problems. Now first one solution is update your Instagram applications. So guys, now first of all, strong Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and Android. Now open the App Store in iPhone and also Play Store in Android. If you using old version of the Instagram, so guys, top corner search bar search Instagram and latest versions to update your Instagram applications on your iPhone and Android. The first solutions too you can easily apply on your iPhone and Android and easy to fix your problems. Instagram users to say I already updated Instagram applications but still not working. Now the second solution is previous versions to download install Instagram applications on your iPhone and Android. Now question is how to. Now open the any browser on your iPhone and Android. Now top corner search bar. In search bar, this link I give you on my description box. So guys, make sure tap on that and easy to open your iPhone and Android devices. Open after you can see also Instagram APK file available. So guys, simply tap on the download and you can easily download install on your iPhone and iPad. This way too you can easily fix your problems. Lot of Instagram users to say I already 2 solutions apply but still not working. Now go for the third solution. In third solution, first of all, open the Instagrams. Now you can see also Instagram story. Automatically rotations problem show on my Instagrams. The question is how to fix that issue on my Instagrams. Now top corner plus icon and bottom to select Reels. In Reels, swipe up and select the anyone pictures. Select the picture after you can see also right hand side corner add icon. So guys, please make sure tap on that. Now again right hand side bottom preview options available. Now simply tap on that. In top corner lot of features available. So guys, you can easily apply effect and filter on Instagram story. Now the select anyone after you can see also again right hand side corner done icon. Now simply tap on that and top corner download icon. Now again tap on that. Now again you can see also left hand side corner close icon. Now again tap on that. Now again come back in Instagrams. Again tap on the plus icon, select the story options and swipe up and select the dead photos. Select the photos after again you can see also right hand side bottom send icon and add story. This way too you can easily rotations problem fix on your Instagrams on your iPhone and Android. So guys, within some times automatically Instagram's new update fix these problems. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much.